¿Qué es esto? Hey guys, how you doing? How's it going, guys?
I'm not gonna talk. Having a good time tonight, guys? Quiet on the set. Cool. Very good. You guys came prepared.
I mean, just so you guys know, you're distracting us from trying to get our gear. I mean, I don't understand the purposes, but you don't have permission from me, so I don't understand what you're doing. You do this all the time and try to get views and stuff, but get a day job, bro. I know what you guys are looking for. I'm gonna give it. I'm gonna give it. I'm gonna give it. Make sure I get faces. Yep. Make sure I get faces. What's up, Jared? You guys want to take a picture of my sanitation cart? Just, you know, wipe everything down. I got a YouTube video now, guys. Did you get that? I got a YouTube video. At least know where it's going. Mine's just going on YouTube on the same. That's what I'm saying. I mean, at the end of the day, like, that's what I got on there, so that way I know who they are. And just so you guys know, COVID, you know, it's around and you guys aren't keeping your distance, nor you have shields on. So go ahead and wag your finger. Let me go ahead and show the flip side of this so you guys can go ahead. Go ahead, do what you're doing. Do what you're doing. Yeah, you don't want to show that side, do you? Because you're fake. Please, use me. Please, get in trouble. Hey, brother, they need to respect the COVID. You know
they're actually on private property right now, so this is going to be fun. I hope they didn't walk here. I hope they didn't walk here. Oh no, it's fine. They got a license plate too. Oh no, they're on private property now.
Hey, right here?
Yeah.
What if we get that laser out and just shoot the sensor?
Shoot it. Shoot it. Shoot it.
No. The PP card. I know, but I'm not on. Wait, you should put the things on. You too.
Oh yeah, our crew's talking to them, but they're not talking back. Yeah. Oh yeah. We're all. I made an announcement. We're all good. Yeah, definitely. The police are on their way. Thank you. Yeah. They want to come up production, but they don't mess with time. Yeah, they don't. They want to mess with production.
Alright, gentlemen, I'm definitely gonna have to ask you to step off this driveway, please. You can step on the private property. I mean, off the private property. You just need to be in public. You understand that? I'm sure, right? Right? You get it? I cannot wait.
It's like go out at a police station or something.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You had a fucking film. Is that a cop or something?
I don't know what it is.
Go out at the real people.
Alright, guys. I'm serious. This is a driveway. You gotta step back off the driveway. We have vehicles coming through here. It's for the safety of you guys. I really care about you guys. We have vans coming through, and also you're obstructing our traffic. You don't have anything to say to that? No? Nothing to say to that? I'm sure you guys like free speech. Right? Freedom of the press. Y'all love the Constitution, right? That's what's up. Bam! Like all three faces. Respect. They videotape different people and they get them to listen to the action. And so often it sounds like a cop or refinery or something like that. So they're just taking it to a different scenario and trying to get us to get a rise out of us or see pictures of us and stuff like that.
Those guys might be making documentary footage, news footage of
Quick.
Alright,
I gotta go. See ya.
Have a good night, brother.
Good night, guys.
Hey,
Have
not
fun.
TMC.
TMZ for what, though?
Don't they care about normal people too?
I don't think so.
Carly Burt, who was an additional at the beginning of the season, she got on one of the Just Jared. I don't know, but I did send it to her.
¿Hablas español? Un poco de un poquito. ¿Quieres fumar?
At least it's not regular fans.
¿Quieres fumar?
All their phones.
Vamos conmigo. Vamos. Come on.
Christina, I have to drive in
¿Quieres fumar?
clear across their truck.
Ah, no quieres.
Yeah, just like me.
Échate. Échese. Quiero fumar.
You guys. What's up with the pictures? Excuse me. What are the pictures for? What are the pictures for, sir? they're not answering questions. With my car. Excuse me. Excuse me. This guy is weird. Get him out of here. They're not talking, John.
That's okay.
Well, they're taking pictures of my car. I don't appreciate that. What is going on?
He's just trying to antagonize you. Just let him be.
They're in public.
What
They're in
is it
public, so They're
about?
allowed to film whatever they see in public.
Yeah.
We're doing this because
They make money when they post the videos
Why
online.
is it that restaurants are closed but celebrities still filming?
Yeah, I'm in agreement.
That's a YouTube thing.
Restaurants shouldn't be.
Yeah. But, you know,
I'm in agreement.
But that's all they're doing. They're in
Yeah.
public, you can't do nothing.
Yeah.
All right, I want to make sure they're not.
That's all right. Everyone's got to make a living somehow,
no,
right?
no, we're all good. We have this posted legally. in the
It's
city
all
center.
just video and pictures.
You guys are good.
I just don't
Yeah.
appreciate that.
I know it makes you feel uncomfortable. I apologize for that. But
I didn't give permission for my image or anything.
yeah, unfortunately, we're public property. They can do
Fine,
that.
then I'll just take a picture of their face.
You're legally able to do that. It's just best not to confront them.
Yeah, there's some people that are still down the hill.
I thought you were trying to get into your car and they were blocking
No,
you.
I
I
don't
was
like
worried about
this.
that.
Bullshit. Yeah, go ahead. Get in the traffic. Get in the traffic, mister. Get in the traffic. Let's see your face. Let's see your face. Yeah? Yeah, you like it? Like it? It's fun, isn't it? Fucking assholes.
It looks like they're like circling somewhere. That is kind of cool.
Yeah.
Don't jack off like that, buddy.
Oh, now your little special light's off, isn't it? Good.
Hi. How are you?
She's not touching
Everything all right?
you. Back up.
Huh? You want to see my eyes?
She's not touching you. You better approach me.
The gentleman has mace out now. This guy has mace out.
Yeah.
I'd want to obstruct my face too, guys. I get it. I get it.
What's up? 6 feet. Give me 6 feet.
You haven't
Whoa,
been
6
giving us
feet all of a sudden,
All
huh?
of a sudden it's 6
All of a
feet.
sudden, you weren't 6 feet earlier. Where are you from?
6 feet.
No, you
All of a
weren't.
sudden it's 6 feet, guys.
Yeah.
Okay.
Huh?
I'll be right back with my cup. And then,
I'm not the one recording. I'll tell you.
Oh, like a down arrow? Okay, copy.
Hey, let's get away from him. Let's stay 6 feet away from him.
Yeah, copy that.
Let's stay 6 feet away from these guys. They're not staying 6 feet away from us.
Guys, please stay away and please put your mask over. Please put your Sir, please put your mask up over your nose. Sir, put your mask up
Let
over
me
your
get
nose,
that.
please.
Let me get that beautiful mug.
Let's go, guys.
Come back. There you go. Oh, come back.
Wow, this is how your company runs? Damn, approaching
You
people
pulled
in the
mace on
public.
a woman, dog. You pulled mace on a woman. Come talk
Get
to
away
me.
from my car. They're filming in my car, you
Good,
guys.
it's public. All right, that's illegal.
Get away. Get your 6 feet away from me. Get away from me.
Hi, Karen.
Hi, Karen.
Hi, Karen. Hi, Karen.
Damn.
Pussies. You guys are a disgrace.
There's a filming company and this is how you act?
Wow, you act like this because of a bunch of cameras?
Pussies. You guys work with cameras all day, man. Come on.
You talk about respecting the First Amendment?
Your
You don't know
legislation
shit about
in
the
your
First
pocket,
Amendment.
bro.
Huh?
Your legislation.
Oh, shit.
And they said they weren't going to give us a show. Imagine that.
Right?
Imagine that. The show must go on.
Y'all gave us a show.
The show must go on, man.
You guys are the performers.
You started the show.
You pulled mace on a woman, bro.
Did I?
He did.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, I got it on video camera. He pulled mace on a woman.
He pulled mace on you? Sorry to hear that, ma'am. Sorry to hear that, ma'am.
How are you feeling, sir? You okay?
I'm worried about that woman.
We're worried about you, ma'am. Why don't you just mind your own business?
Yeah, go back inside.
Mind your own business. That's a good one.
How's that mangina been?
It's great. It's great.
Smaller than yours.
It's hairier than mine or what?
There's nothing wrong with having a vagina, my friend.
Hey, your mangina is bigger than mine or what?
Insult.
Hey, is your mangina bigger than mine or what?
Women are dope, bro. Women are great. You need to learn that, bro.
Women are great.
Yeah. You're trying to hurt someone's feelings by telling them they have a mangina. You're trying to insinuate that having a vagina has a negative quality. That's a sexist idea.
That poor little mind of yours, man.
And
That
it's
poor
weird, though.
square little mind of yours.
Why don't you go back inside? Get back to work.
You've been living in the box your whole life, huh? When you coming out the box, man? When are you coming out the box? You've been living in the box your whole life or what?
That what you grew up with?
Yeah.
I never seen
See it in your eyes.
I never seen no one pull mace on a woman before.
No one.
Nobody.
No one. No one did that.
That was some pretty frightened shit right
That was
there.
gnarly.
No, y'all were
You guys
frightened.
were scared.
Y'all were
Fucking
frightened.
gnarly.
I got it on camera.
Good for you.
Yeah. Cameras are great. You guys would agree. Right? You love cameras.
Well, yeah.
With cameras.
What's up?
You mad because your guys' company shut down or something?
You don't like flashlights, huh?
We're all out of there pretty much.
Hey, you don't like flashlights, huh? This guy pulled out his little bitch flashlight and I flashed him in the face and boom, he couldn't take it.
Because this is a production, we usually don't deal with stupid idiots like this.
Like yourself?
Yeah. Do what that guy from High Desert Community does. He goes to police stations. He goes to real places and fucks with them. Go suck them off.
This is not a real place? I'm sorry, this is not a real place, guys. Let's go find a real place.
Engineering, this isn't real?
Let's go find a real place.
Yeah,
This
let's
is
go
the fake
find a real
one.
place.
Yeah, go.
This is the fake one.
That's it. It is. It's called production.
So we told him to get back. Tyler saw that everyone getting too close and the 6 feet rule, so we're good.
Yeah, keep your 6 foot distance, pussy.
Approaching people on the street?
Yep.
Damn.